Hi guys, and welcome to another Woolly Witch tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to make this bow. It's really cute and really easy to make. And for this I've just used a 4-ply yarn. You can use any, or a 3-ply yarn would do. I've used for this one a 3mm hook. Obviously you need a pair of scissors and a needle to sew it onto anything, and if you want to sew in your threads, though for this one I have knotted, which you'll see in the tutorial. So I hope you enjoy this video and we'll make a start. So we're going to start by making a magic ring or a magic circle. It's the same thing. So just grab the end of your yarn and wrap around your fingers, and then where it crosses here just pinch with your thumb, and then let this piece rest over on your hand. And then if you insert the hook underneath and just pull up a loop, and just make sure it's nice and tight by pulling this one, and then just chain one, and that's it. Now we have a magic ring, and this is the piece to use at the end to draw it close. So we're going to chain one, or chain four, sorry, but to chain one we're going to yarn over and then pull through. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and this chain of 4 counts as a treble crochet. I'm going to work 3 treble crochet into the ring. So to work a treble crochet we're going to yarn over twice, so that's once, twice. So insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops on your hook. So we're going to yarn over and pull through 2, and you should have 3 loops on your hook now. Yarn over and pull through 2. You should have 2 loops remaining. Yarn over and pull through 2, and that's another treble crochet. So we're going to make 2 more. So if we yarn over once and yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop. Again, you should have 4 loops on your hook. So if we yarn over and pull through 2, you should have 3 loops now on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. So if we make 1 more, so yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops, and yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. So that's what it should be looking like. So now we're going to chain 4, because we're then going to slip stitch into the ring. So if we yarn over, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and that forms the other side of the bow, this part here. So we're going to slip stitch into the ring. So insert the hook into the ring and just pull up a loop. You're not going to yarn over again, you're just going to pull this top loop through this one here, and there you have a slip stitch. So that's one side of the bow. So we're going to work on the other. So we're just going to repeat what we've done. So we're going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to work 3 treble crochets into the ring. So if we yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. So if we work 2 more treble crochet, that's 1, work 1 more, okay, I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and slip stitch into the ring. Okay, I'm just going to grab this piece here and close it up slightly, not all the way, I'll show you how far, just makes it easy to continue working now. That should be far enough. So to make the tail ends of the bow, we're now going to chain 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're going to slip stitch into these chains, working our way back. So we're not going to slip stitch into this one here, the one we've just made. We're going to work into the second one from the hook, so this V here. So if you insert the hook just under this top loop, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then just pull through, and there you have another slip stitch, just like we made into the ring. So we're going to do 5 more, it should be 6 slip stitches altogether. That's our third, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to slip stitch into the ring here. So insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop, and then just pull that through. So there, that's one side done. We're going to do the other, so we're just going to repeat what we've done. I'm going to chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again we're going to slip stitch our way back. So we're going to work the first one into the second chain from the hook, which is this one, so ignore that one we've just made. So 6 slip stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to finish that off by making another slip stitch into this ring. So insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop, and then pull through. And now we're going to fasten off. So I'm just going to pull this loop slightly larger. I'm going to leave a tail about 7-8 inches long, because we're going to use this to sew onto whatever you want to sew onto. It can be a bootie, hat, cushion. So because basically we're just making an embellishment. You might want it for scrapbooking even, in which case you wouldn't need a long tail. But it is really just in case you want to sew it onto anything. So there, we've fastened off. So this thread here was the one that was mentioned earlier. We're going to pull this, and this will close this hole up. So you can see I've pulled that, and there, gives it a lovely shape. I'm just going to sort of put that piece over there. Now the long one that we've just cut, I'm going to take it behind the bow, and then to the top where this middle bit is here, and I'm going to just wrap it round fairly tightly, not too tight but not too loose either. That's 3, 4 should be plenty. It'll look like that. And then I'm just going to turn the bow onto its front, so the back's facing upwards, and then grab this other piece, and I'm just going to knot them just to keep it all secure, to stop that one we've just done unraveling. It's a really simple bow to make, and they look really pretty as an embellishment, and that will just stop it, keep it all together, and that's it. That's what it should look like. And as you can see, I've got these threads here. I can either loop them through something and knot them, or you can sew them on, or if you're just wanting to stick this as, like I say, scrapbooking or whatever, you can cut them both off. But there you have a bow with tails. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up, and please feel free to follow and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.